Hello everybody, Lee the Shop here, and I am joined by my twin brother here at Lee the Drum. So it's a hello from me and hello from him. So what we have in front of us is the Pearl President Series drum kit. So I'm going to explain a little bit about the President Series in a moment or two, where it came from and what it's made of, etc. But Lee is going to explain what he likes about this drum kit, because Lee, we've had this on display now, haven't we, for a few weeks, and you've been doing various videos with it and showing different people. Everybody coming in, by the way, has been very impressed with the kit. They really like the look of it, the sound and the feel of the kit. So Lee, tell us some of the things or some of the features of the kit that you enjoy as a drummer.
Yeah, it's just really, really beautiful. It feels good when you sit behind it. It's got that feel. A lot of drums, you need the feel, you need that connection with you. It's got the quality of it all, the smoothness of the hoops, the way that the legs look as you're looking down, these lovely claws here, they're just great. So there's a warmth to it, there's an attack to it. So it's got a bit of depth in its playing as you play in those toms. You feel straight away. These are only 10 and 14, but they've already got a nice deep tone to them. And that warmth, you know, warmth is everything when you're playing.
Really good. Thanks, Lee. So for us as well, you know, the extra features like the dampeners is great. They're good selling points, because when you've got those dampeners, you haven't got to worry about your moon gels and all the rest. You can just tweak that drum in any gig accordingly. You can get those dampers off, can't you? Or you can tighten them up a little bit so you can very quickly move around. We feel, don't we, Lee, that all drums should have internal dampeners, but good quality ones. So you can take them off and put them on at any time that you want.
Absolutely.
Really, really good stuff. And great on the snare drum,
yeah,
isn't it, Lee?
really nice.
Rather than lots of gels that make the drum sticky and all the fur clings to them. So if you want to keep them clean, you just use your damper. So where did the President Series come from? Well, originally, Pearl Drums were making components for other drum manufacturers. And then there was a demand, if you like, within the drumming community. More drums were required, and once that market started to push a demand, Pearl obviously took advantage of that to supply the demand, as it were, that was out there. So 75 years ago, this is the President Series 75th anniversary kit. 75 years ago, they started to make their own shell pack and put their own components on there, and Pearl drums came alive. And this is what this is based on. So we have these boat lugs. They're really, really pretty. They've got a nice feature to them. Lovely chroming on them all. Excellent triple flange hoops. They're very good, solid, nice rounded feel to them. They don't feel sharp. They feel nice, good quality again. The inlays on the hoops to match the hoops are immaculate in the quality of the spray work. Those beautiful claws, they're so nice, and they're just so smooth to turn, and the sound is great to them. They've got that good attack, haven't they, Lee?
Stunning. It's a lunar wood, known as well as it says. Southeast Asian mahogany, so it just does the job. Beautiful.
Good deep tones, good attack on it, nice and warm feeling. So it really does fulfill the needs of you as drummers. So it's got everything that you need. It's got top quality. It's got extremely good sound of what you want to do as a drummer. It's very workable, very easy to work with, as Lee has mentioned. And it looks the part. Even the badges, they look so sweet on there. But it's the price point. You have to remember, the Pearl are the biggest drum company in the world, or the biggest selling drum company in the world. And they are that for a reason, that they work so hard on price point. So whereas other manufacturers may get up to this quality, but it'll cost them more to do so. So when you look at the prices of these on a website, they're very, very competitive. And this is a drum kit that would last you all of your career. It is just a serious good workhorse. And the other important thing with Pearl drums, you've got all the hardware, the pedals that come with it, you know, the hi-hat pedals, the bass drum pedals that come with it, the stands, the drum racks, all the components that Pearl do to add into their drum kits is probably more than any other drum kit or drum manufacturer out there. The range of snares that they do is really big. So again, they just have everything a drummer ever needs for his whole life. And that is undisputed, absolutely. So thanks for watching. We certainly enjoy this drum kit being in store and some of the other Pearl kits that we have here. Really great company to work with, and thank you, Pearl, for all your hard work of trying so well for us drummers. So Lee, it's, I suppose, a goodbye from me.
And a goodbye from him.